everybody, it's the Supreme Family Garden, bringing you guys along, showing you some progress that we're making. And today I have a very, very special guest. This is Will. I am gardener.
Hello.
My neighbor. He grows a ton of things right around the corner. Will is such an awesome guy. He bought a brand new, how much was that tractor, Will?
Well, this one, 30.
Okay, $30,000 tractor, had it delivered here. Actually let me use it first. That's what type of guy he is, okay? I want everybody, his channel should be up and going, how long do you think, a week or two?
I'm still recording videos.
Okay.
I hope a week or two.
Okay, a week or two. Please, guys, go out, support Will's channel. Got a lot of knowledge. Tell him, Will, about the rattlesnake that was by your foot yesterday.
Oh, baby. I went to go pull some weeds in the garden, decided to use the rake instead of my hands. 5 minutes later, just over a foot-long baby rattler right there. And it would have got me if I would have used my hands. So definitely use your tools if you're in that part of the area that has snakes.
Yeah.
Now tell it to Supreme again, because he likes to use his hands.
Oh,
and I'm still going to use my hands. And he's going to use his hands too.
If you do, make sure you have some good gloves.
Yeah. All right, guys, just wanted to introduce my good friend, Will. I am the gardener, okay? And we're going to show you guys a little bit more progress on the land. Over here, it's a little uneven, but I'm gonna work that in myself. We put some zoysia out here because this grass runs, okay? So that way my dogs, they can't get out and as it fills in. We have a nice little palm tree here that we have out just to give it a little more curb appeal. And still a lot more left, but it's coming along quite well. Now we didn't, when we cleared this, we didn't go down too deep because I wanted to keep a lot of the natural soil. That's why you can still see like some of the leaves and stuff like that. That way I don't have to really worry about things growing over here because this was virgin soil, okay? So when you're building your home in certain areas, you don't have to have the builder like scalp it down to the bottom because then it's gonna be hell trying to get things to grow in the next upcoming year. So guys, keep that in mind, okay? Don't make the mistakes that I used to. Okay, actually, let me take you over here. I want to show you guys some of the soil, okay, on this property. Stay tuned. Now tomorrow we're gonna have somebody come out with a root rake. That way we don't get all of this dirt, but right now we're just trying to get some of the area done so that way we can start planting a few things. And just to show off the new mower. This is a brand new Mahindra. Again, guys, this thing is awesome, awesome. All right, guys, over here, look. This is why we didn't scalp it. Look at this. Mother Nature's finest. Okay. Out here, we're gonna just probably grade this over with the root rake tomorrow. And coming along pretty good, guys. Again, guys, if you have a few acres and you want a nice tractor, the Mahindra is definitely the way to go. I mean, it's kick butt. Everything that you guys see here, this tractor did it. And this small Mahindra will be upgraded to a bigger size. Thanks again, my brother Will. They dropped this off, I think it was 2 days ago. All right, guys, thank you so very much for watching. The Mahindra 2020 tractor. We're gonna get you guys a little bit closer, that way you can kind of see it if you're looking to purchase one or whatever it may be. All right, follow us. Go out there and buy yourselves a Mahindra tractor. Tell them Supreme sent you up there. All right, guys. Supreme Family Garden. Better yards, better gardens. And remember, we all have to pray.